so worth it. Let me guess, you're hitting a Benjamin, a Breeze, or a Muha right now. And no, I'm not trying to get you to stop. That cough you're getting is getting really bad. That's why you gotta detox your lungs with these. I've been taking 2 of these a day for the past 2 weeks, and I've been coughing up the juiciest and the wettest gunk you would not believe. These things have an ingredient called mullein leaf, which basically just grinds up all the gunk in your lungs and forces you to cough it out. The best part about these is it's not only for people who smoke or have lung issues. It's great for people who just want to detox their lungs and maybe even just like breathe a little bit easier. Pretty much the only bad thing about this is that they hardly ever restock and they run out so fast. So if you do see this orange cart right here, that means they're still in stock, but I would pick it up as soon as you can just because they run out so fast.